With the continuous expansion of new businesses, CIMC Yangzhou strives to realize the transformation of traditional manufacturing enterprises towards high-quality development. And the Yangzhou CIMC Intelligent Equipment Industrial Park came into being. The industrial park aims to build a 5 to 10 billion level green factory supported by mature business plus emerging business. It became a diversified and regionalized intelligent manufacturing plus high-end integration comprehensive advanced manufacturing park of CIMC Container Group. The industrial park inherits the development gene of lean manufacturing from CIMC Group over the past years, leading the production revolution of intelligent integration and high-efficiency assembly. It is mainly committed to high-level new energy equipment manufacturing and new industrial modular construction, and deeply cooperate with international authoritative quality inspection organizations to establish a digital quality traceability system and preventive quality control system. CIMC Yangzhou relies on 2 provincial engineering research and technology centers, continuously exploring new boundaries of industry technology and promoting the deep integration of technology and industry. It has won important honors such as the National Specialized and Innovative Little Giant Enterprise, National High-Tech Enterprise, National AA Level Informatization and Industrialization Integration, the 5-Star Cloud Enterprise. During the green manufacturing and low-carbon transformation, it was awarded the title of Jiangsu Green Factory and significantly reduced the power consumption through energy-saving technologies such as air compressor, cloud control, and VOC transformation. With the first container product carbon footprint certification in the country, it set the industry's carbon peak and neutrality benchmark and always practiced the concept of sustainable development. CIMC Yangzhou holds the ISO series certification, which serves as the global welding quality passport, the highest level steel structure certification that unlocks the qualification for European landmark construction projects, the Australia-New Zealand standard certification that breaks through the barriers to regional infrastructure market, the Canadian welding certification that strengthens competitiveness in North American markets, the R-level minister certification, which is the core qualification for Japanese steel structure construction, as well as many other authoritative certifications such as Major Classification Society's Factory Certification and Greenhouse Gas Emission Certification, under the meticulous care and support of all level leaders. With the consistent and sincere cooperation of extensive customers and partners, on the path of striving progress by all the staffs, CIMC Yangzhou will rely on the new built industrial park, set sail for the second time, to start a new journey and realize a new takeoff. Containers change the world. We change the containers.